Find the locus of a point which is equidistant from the points 2, 4 and minus 7, 1. We know that locus of a point is a curve. So first we will calculate a point P x, y on the curve which is equidistant from 2, 4 and minus 7, 1. Let me calculate. You have, let Px, y be the point on locus. Now, P is equidistant from A 2, 4 and B minus 7, 1. Now, this implies PA is equal to PB. Distance from P to A is equal to P to B. This implies PA square is equal to PB square. Apply the distance formula here. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to x minus of minus 7, x plus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. So here I get x square minus 4x plus 4, y square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to x square plus 49 plus 14x, y square plus 1 minus 2y. Cancel x square and y square on both sides. Simplify. 16 plus 4, 20 minus 4x minus 8y is equal to 14x minus 2y plus 50. Now we will simplify. 14x plus 4x minus 2y plus 8y plus 50 minus 20 is equal to 0. This gives us 18x plus 6y plus 30 is equal to 0. Divide by 6 throughout. You get 3x plus y plus 5 is 0. So, a point which is equidistant from A and B is the line perpendicular at the midpoint of A, B and C, equidistant. All these points on this line will be equidistant. So it represents a curve. That's how you calculate equation of locus.